Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is going to be really quick. It's an unboxing video of a traveler's notebook that I purchased recently. This one is from Sojourner, from Rowena and Sojourner. So let's jump right into the envelope. Oh, it's a different design bag. And has her signature sign there with the R. Oh, wow. Actually, I don't have my paper invoice. Oh, wow. Very nice. This is the Mizpah in the field note size, and I requested it for a smidge wider. I've actually, and this is in the folio, so there are no elastics. I actually contacted Bree from Documented Journey, asking her for some advice with her Mizpah, and I wanted to see like what kind of leather it was. This is the natural leather sample, and that's her Documenting Life as It Happens. That's her website right there. Let's see. The tea is Refresh Mint. Really nice. And that's the welcome card or welcome letter. Oh, I'm excited. It's very, very soft. I thought it would be more rough, but can you hear that? It's very pliable. So there was a notice up on the website that she had the Mizpah back in stock. To be honest with you, I was not really fond of it in the beginning when she first released it. I wasn't fond of like the texture, because I'm more of like a smooth leather type of person, like this. And even with my Gilios, I request for smooth leather. But this really caught my attention again when I was looking at Bree's videos, and it just. So that's why I reached out to her, and she was so helpful, and she was sharing with me her Mizpah, and when Rowena announced that there was some in stock, I jumped on it and got a field note size. So this one is in the folio, so like I said, there are no elastics in the middle, but there's a slit here for your cards, or just a couple of cards, and then another one on this side. And I don't really share this often, but I use two field notes notebooks for each of my kids. So one for my son and one for my daughter. And I do journaling to them. I write to them in these personal journals. And I use the Field Notes brand, and I wanted to house those notebooks in here. Right now they're housed in a Chic Sparrow, what is it called? A Chic Sparrow Mr. Darcy. I don't remember the name. It's like the dark cherry red type of color, like the maroon color. But yeah, I just wanted to see what this was like. And the inside is very, can you see it's very soft. Kind of like suede. And I love these like little markings and things. But yes, I'm surprised. I thought it would be more bumpy, I guess. But it's not. You can see it's not really. It looks really textured and bumpy, but it's not. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see that it's quite flat. It's not really, like I thought it would catch on things, but this is really nice. And that's her little R stamp there on the side, on the corner. So that is the quick unboxing of the Mizpah folio from Rowena at Sojourner, and this is in the field note size. And I've requested it for a smidgen wider. So just to show you these two notebooks that I have for them. Let me see if I can. Oh, it's perfect. Then I can get like a nice pen in there. You could probably even fit like a third one. I would imagine you could fit another one in there, or actually a couple more. It's quite roomy. So yes, this is what it looks like with the two field notes notebooks in there. One's for my daughter and one is for my son. And that is the quick unboxing of the folio in Mizpah from Rowena at Sojourner right there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.